Hey, my dear children, this is Dr. Wani, and on this beautiful day of Teachers' Day, here I have come to talk to you. A beautiful heart to heart conversation. When I was your age, I never really thought that this day will start to have so many meanings in my life, and it will become such an important day in my life for my existence. More than a Teacher's Day wish, more than a journey about my life and about how I actually became a teacher, this video is basically for each one of you to express my heartfelt gratitude. It is to express how truly thankful I am to each one of you for giving me an opportunity day after day to be able to influence you, to be able to ignite your young minds, to be able to make a difference in your lives, to be able to call you my students. And for each one of you, I'm eternally thankful for giving me this opportunity. Uh, I always remember throughout my academic life, I was always interested more in academics. I did my dentistry, and during my dentistry, I was greatly interested in subjects of pathology, radiology, or oral medicine because they were more academic and less clinical. After that, after my graduation, I started to teach in a college in Chandigarh, which is called the Riyadh Bhara College of Dental Sciences. I did realize very early on when I was in this college that although how much ever I love to teach, and I absolutely love to teach, but when kids go a little older, when they're in college, then they probably don't require a teacher as much. This also takes me back to my school days where my 11th and 12th were tough, like everybody's 11th and 12th, because we are a little directionless, slightly clueless. We don't sometimes have the right support system to help us understand how to study, what to study, when to study, and things like that. So I always remember that was one of the toughest parts of my life and academic. And that's the reason why I always wanted to be a change maker, wanted to influence, wanted to do something specifically for that area of a student's life. So many times, so many people ask me, "You're a dentist, how come you became a teacher?" Teaching is my passion, teaching is my calling. I will also like to tell you something supremely amazing here. So I remember, so many people ask me कि आप dentist से teacher कैसे बन गए? I have a beautiful story to narrate here. I remember after my college, I was through for the Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Bombay, to do my masters in public health. And I don't know, जैसे कहते हैं serendipity happens to be one of my favorite words. Luck by chance, I happened to go to Lakshya Forum for competitions. हमारे 3 founders हैं, आनंद सर, वंशी सर, and Pulkit sir. They have greatly influenced my professional life. Their thought process, their belief कि यार टीचर के लिए ना सिर्फ एक चीज़ मायने रखती है, वो है स्टूडेंट्स. और एट वेदांतु हमारे लिए सिर्फ एक चीज़ मायने रखती है, वो है स्टूडेंट ऑब्सेशन. इज टू मेक श्योर दैट students grow, is to make sure that students are the center of our existence. So I remember I went to Lakshya and I मतलब इतनी उस जगह से मुझे पॉजिटिविटी आई. सो मेनी पीपल ऑन यूट्यूब टेल मी, मैम हाउ आर यू सो हम्बल एंड काइंड. अपने मुंह मियाँ मिट्टू बनना किसी को पसंद नहीं आता, बट यार बच्चों, जो मैंने सीखा उस एक जगह से, द अमाउंट ऑफ वार्मथ दैट आई कुड सी वन प्लेस रेडिएटिंग, द अमाउंट ऑफ लर्निंग दैट वाज हैपनिंग, द अमाउंट ऑफ difference that place created in the lives of all the students who came there. I have never witnessed anything so positive. I have never witnessed anything so supremely amazing which I saw there. And then the rest is history. So I told everyone at home that I don't want to do masters in public health because I want to teach. So I want to be doing this, and it did take me a lot of time, effort to master this, to be able to become the teacher that I've become today, to be able to understand the pulse of every child, to be able to give the best that I possibly can. And then after Lakshya, how Vedantu happened, and when Vedantu started, one child, two, three, four, 10, and thousands today, and then one of the most beautiful things that could have ever happened was being parathonic. How much of love I received. I remember last teachers से तो हमने साथ में मनाया भी नहीं था. This channel was also not there. And how much of an opportunity I had got, my dear children, in the last 1 year to serve. For me, teaching is giving back. For me, teaching is my way of saying thank you to India, thank you to the students of India, is my way of showing my gratitude to to the thousands and lakhs and maybe millions of students who come to Vedanta and be Biotronic. You see, you don't really require uh, a lot to be able to serve as a teacher. You just need, I think, आपको सिर्फ एक willing heart चाहिए. You just need to have the willingness, number one, to learn, because everybody who teaches has to be a lifelong learner, and then maybe the humility to give it back. uh, you know the most beautiful thing about becoming a teacher is you never cease to learn. With every batch, with every child, with every student, you turn younger. You learn so much. Your life becomes so beautiful because there is just so much of positivity, and there is just so much of learning happening on a daily basis. There is so much of infectious energy which is there on this channel and in each one of you, that makes my job so worthwhile, so easy. So through this channel, through my profession as a teacher, if I've ever touched one single line, if I've been able to help you, if I've been able to give you light during your toughest, darkest times, I think I have succeeded. I have become successful in whatever I started out to do, in whatever I chose to do, and in whatever we at Vedanta believe that we truly can bring about the change. Whenever I talk to Pulkit sir, we often talk that यार कोई भी बच्चा जिस देश के किसी भी कोने में हो, you know, there are two barriers that we often talk about breaking. One of them is geographical. You could be anywhere, anywhere, but you you have the right to be able to learn, be able to study. Nobody should be able to not study because you belong to an area where there is no access to quality education. So together we want to break those barriers which stop you from studying. You may or may not have the funds to study, but we here will give you the best quality education for which you really wouldn't have to spend anything. And therefore, any geographical or any economical barrier should not be able to stop you, should not be able to deter you, should not be able to, snatch away your dreams from you. That's my aim. And that's what drives me every single day. That's what makes me get up. They say, passion is something which makes you get up with excitement every single day. So I have discovered my passion. And for that, I'm so immensely grateful that this beautiful life has given me an opportunity to be able to discover something which I absolutely love doing, and therefore there is absolutely no question of getting tired or of of speaking so much. No, it doesn't happen because we are on a mission. We are on a mission to empower each one of you because you have given us the opportunity to be able to empower your lives. And for that, trust me, I will be so eternally grateful to each one of you who trusts us, who trusts me, who trusts us at Vedanta, who trusts me Biophonic. For us to be able to make this difference in your lives, we require your trust. And when you trust us, beautiful things happen, you see. Beautiful, beautiful things happen. So, with that, once again, on this beautiful day which I have come to get associated with the tag of teacher, with the pride with which I wear this master teacher t shirt of Vedanta, with the pride of being your teacher, with the pride of calling you my students, this is your teacher, your man, Vani ma'am. And I would just like to end it by saying I'm a very ordinary person, extremely ordinary teacher, but proud to be a teacher of extraordinary students like you. Proud to be representing this extraordinary brand like Vedanta. So, so, so proud and extremely grateful for each one of you to giving me this opportunity where I can, with a lot of pride, say, I am your master teacher. I am your teacher. I am the teacher of Biotonians. So thank you so much on this beautiful Teachers Day, my dear children. Love and truckloads of it. Whatever you choose to do in your life, remember, we at Vedanta Be Biophonic will be right beside you. You just have to keep moving ahead because this nation is going to stand tall on your shoulders and you cannot let India down. Yes, take care. Lots of love. Bye bye.